Jesus Christ died and rose for all. He is our hope. This is, in a nutshell, the message of Easter, the most important celebration of our Christian faith. Easter celebrates the rising of Jesus from death to a new life, reminding us that light conquers darkness, love conquers hatred, and truth conquers deceit. For us, sinners saved by Jesus, the joy of the resurrection starts with a personal encounter with the risen Lord. The risen Christ wants us to experience the joy of encountering Him and living for Him and not for ourselves. He wants us to have the joy of being liberated from the sin that traps us into our own self-centeredness, the joy of discovering the blessing of His self-giving love. While wishing one and all a truly grace-filled Easter, I pray that the risen Lord may inspire and empower us, His disciples, to be agents of peace, understanding, and goodwill. I wish all of you a truly joyful and grace-filled Easter.
Video journalist Alfred Fernandez from Panjim for HCN.